guys, what's going on? Welcome to this video review. Guys, let me just tell you why I'm here today, because I'm here to help you out, but most importantly, I want to help you out with your teeth. Your teeth, your smell, your breath, your gums. So, are you a person who goes to the dentist regularly every 6 months or so, 3 months, depending? Are you like that, or are you slouchy like me, who doesn't like to go to the dentist and forgets about it, or is always too busy and doesn't have the time? I'm always too busy, okay? But guys, I want to talk to you about a very great natural supplement that can help you take care of your teeth directly from your home, from your work, anywhere. Have you heard about ProDentim before? If you haven't, that's really, really good, because in today's video, I will share everything about ProDentim from A to Z, all the infos you have to know about it. There's so much for you guys to know, okay? So stay right there, listen up. I want to share everything just so you know what you're getting yourselves into, okay? Now, if you want to take care of your teeth with ProDentim, I will be leaving their official webpage here below this video. I will do that because, you see, manufacturers of ProDentim, they are only selling it on the official webpage. They want you to have a safe and secure purchase. They want you to receive the original ProDentim, so just make sure you click down here afterwards, okay? Now, ProDentim is a very great tablet that will take care of your teeth. This is a tablet that contains 3.5 billion probiotic strains. Not just one tablet, all of them. All of them contains this amount of probiotic strains. These probiotic strains, once you start chewing on this tablet that is like a gum, it will be let loose in your mouth and they will start to do the full cleansing out. They will get rid of bacteria, they will get rid of germs, and slowly by slowly, they will start to remove the tarts from your teeth, that yellowish crust close to your gums. And also, little by little, they will start to whiten your teeth. So you're going to have beautiful white teeth. Guys, ProDentim is very good, okay? It will help you to have fresher breath. And in cases where you have like sensitive gums, gums that are always bleeding or that are always swollen, are always like very red and hurt, it will go to the root cause of that problem and it will fix it from the inside out. So after it's fixed up, you are going to be able to enjoy beverages that are really hot or really cold, or even meals. So ProDentim is very, very good for the health of your teeth and your gums, and also for your digestive system. You see, it is totally organic, like it is really green. It has no GMOs, it's non-habit forming, and it will really get the job done. A lot of people are using ProDentim because it's only a tablet that you're gonna chew per day for about maybe 2 hours, and that's it, So keep it in your purse, keep it in your bag, and just chew on one every day, and you're going to start to realize these changes very, very quickly. Also, if you purchase ProDentim and let's say that maybe for whatever reasons you are unhappy with it, you wish to have your money back, you can request it on the official webpage. You're backed with a 60-day money back guarantee, so for whatever reasons, you can just go there and talk to customer service. But remember this, if you want to get results with ProDentim and stay away from the dentist's office, you just have to remember to chew on one tablet every day until you finish all of your treatment. Okay, guys? It's that easy. And it's got a really delish taste as well. So visit this page right here. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below for me to help you guys out. Okay? See you all next time. Bye!